What chapter of your life are you in right now? No matter where you are, remember this. You are still the one holding the pen. When Kit joined the Provence Mastermind, she wasn't sure what her next chapter was. As a competitive rower, winding down was never part of her story, even at 79 years young. But writing a book at this stage of life, that wasn't in the story either. But surrounded by inspiring entrepreneurs and a breathtaking chateau in Provence, something shifted. She realized her next chapter was still waiting to be written. And one powerful mindset reset changed everything for her. Risk is safe. Every risk I take leads to my best chapter of life. Now, that new mindset gave her the courage to launch a brand new possibility and begin writing a book with Hope Publishing House. What about you? What's the chapter you are ready to write next? And if writing a book just like Kit inspires you, then check out hopepublishinghouse.com. Maybe you are our next best-selling author.